Hello children. So today we are going to start chapter number 13 and its name is sharing our feelings. Okay, we can see. Now we are going to discuss about the feelings in this chapter. Hi, I am Seema. I am studying in 3rd standard. After returning home from school, there are two people with whom I like to share all my news. They enjoy listening to my tells. See, here we are going to discuss about the Seema. She is studying in class 3rd. When she is returning from the school, there are two members who waiting for Seema to listen her tells. So when Seema came home, she will tell all the things which happened with them in the school. So she share her feeling with the two peoples in. So, the first person is my nanny. She is always anxious to listen to me. So, her nanny is always excited to listen feeling of Seema, what she has done in the school, what the things she has done. Her nanny was excited to listen. She waits for me to return from school. Nanny is always waiting for Seema to come return from the school. She is quite old and often has back pain. Nanny is quite old and she has a back pain. She cannot see or hear well. She even can't hear properly and can't see even properly. But she will listen my all the things happily and excitement. Every day in the morning, Papa reads the newspaper aloud to her nanny. So every morning, Papa reads newspaper for Nani. She does the rest of her work herself. She is doing all her work by herself. She did not take help of anyone. If someone tries to help her, she gets very upset. When anyone wants to help Nani, she will get upset. So she will do all the things by herself. Though she cannot see properly, she is very fond of cutting vegetables. She can't even see properly, but she is very fond of cutting vegetables. She likes to cut the vegetables. She says, these days children do not know how to cut vegetables properly. So Nani says that nowadays children don't know how to cut the vegetables. So she is very fond of cutting vegetables. She like to cut the vegetables. So she teaches the children how to cut the vegetables. She is very fond of cutting vegetables. Now we can see the second person is my bhaiya and his name is Ravi Bhaiya. He lives with us. I call him Ravi Bhaiya and he calls my parents Bhaiya and Bhabhi. Okay, so Ravi Bhaiya call my father and mother Bhaiya and Bhabhi and I call him Bhaiya. I do not know what our relationship is, but he is very loving. I don't know what is the relation between Bhaiya and me. He called my parents Bhaiya and Bhabhi, but he is very loving. He is always ready to answer my question. Whenever I am asking any question to Bhaiya, he will always give me answers. He never says, I will tell you later. Bhaiya never says to me that I will give answer later. Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a college. So Ravi Bhaiya is a teacher in a college. The student of the college respect him a lot. Those students who are in a college, they respect Bhaiya a lot. Ravi Bhaiya is a very fond of listening to music and taking part in plays. So Bhaiya like to listen music. Whenever he get the time, he will listen the music and taking part in a plays. He like to take parts in a plays. He enjoys chatting with his friend and going out with them. He like to chat with their friends and like to go outside with their friends. Bhaiya is very Bhaiya is like to listen music and taking part in plays, and he also like to chat with their friends and going out with the friends outside, and he has a great good sense of humor and makes all of us laugh. Bhaiya had a very good sense of humor whenever, and we are very happy with them. Always we are getting laugh with Bhaiya. He had a very good sense of humor. So we are enjoying with the Bhaiya. I really enjoy the company with Ravi Bhaiya. So two person in I so we have discussed about Seema. Seema is sharing her feeling with the Nani and Ravi Bhaiya. Both are excited to listen Seema's things and they also enjoy, and whatever question asked by Seema, she will always ask the questions and Bhaiya and Nani will give the answer. So see, think and tell who all are. Okay, now let's talk about Seema's brother. Okay, now we are going to discuss about Seema's brother. Bhaiya carries a white stick with when he goes out. Bhaiya always take a white stick with them whenever he go out. Looking at him moving around in house, no one can say that he cannot see. See how he is moving in the house. No one can say that he is not able to see. Bhaiya cannot see. Bhaiya cannot see. He has lost his eyesight. So, if we are seeing Bhaiya, we can not understand that Bhaiya cannot see. He likes to do all his work himself. If someone tries to help him against his wish, he get angry. Bhaiya has done all the works by himself. If someone try to help them, he will always get angry when someone try to help him. He don't like to take help of anyone without his permission. So whenever we try to give help to them, he will get angry. Whenever he needs any help, he asks for it. Whenever Bhaiya need any help, he asks for it, but without their permission. If we are doing anything without permission of Bhaiya, he will get angry. Say some of Bhaiya's students take books from him and return them after recording them in a tapes. Some of the students of Bhaiya take books from them and record in a tapes, then give it to back. Ravi Bhaiya listened to these tapes. After recording by students, Bhaiya will listen the tapes and understand what they want to say. Ravi Bhaiya listened to these tapes. Bhaiya has many other books too, and Bhaiya has also so many books with them. Bhaiya has many other books too. The pages of these books are thick and have row raised points dots. He read by running his finger on the raised dot. Bhaiya is reading the book on putting the finger on that page with where it is given. He reads by running his finger on the raised dot. So he is reading to with fingers. To have fun with Bhaiya, I sometimes change the place of the stick. He does not get upset but never get angry. See, when I want to fun with Bhaiya, so what I have done sometimes I change the place of the stick. He does upset but never gets angry on me. After all, I am his favorite sister Seema. He get angry but never asks to me. After all, I am favorite sister of Bhaiya. I hardly reached the door that Bhaiya spoke up. Seema, you seem to be very happy. When I am returning from the school, Bhaiya just feel that I will come and he spoke that you are very happy today. Bhaiya recognized not only me but all the other family members from the sound we make as we move. Bhaiya recognized all the family members, those who are living with us, with the feel what the sound we are doing, he will feel our feelings. Bhaiya, finally I am in a football team. I shared my news with him. He patted me and said lovingly, from today you are my football coach. So when I came from school very happily, I asked that finally I am in a football team. I shared my news with them and he patted me, said lovingly, now you are my coach. You are my football coach. Now let's learn about Braille. You have seen that Ravi Bhaiya reads special type of books. How were these books made? Who first thought of this book? Let us find out about it. See, we are able to see, we can see the alphabet and we can ask that these are the words. But about what those who are not able to see, how can they read? So for that people, we have prepared one scientist has prepared a book and the book name is the Braille script. Okay, so here it is the picture given. See, now see, we communicate either by action or by symbol instead of speaking. See, we communicate either by action or by symbol instead of speaking. We are able to speak, but if we don't want to speak, so we can do some action or giving symbol by speaking. You have seen in chapter number 7 saying without speaking. In that chapter we have seen the Damshara's game. Okay, in Damshara's game we have seen how to say without speaking. Okay, so in chapter number 7 we have seen how to speak without saying. Okay, so in that chapter we have play one game. In that game we have seen without speaking how can we tell our things to someone. Okay, so now see, Louis Braille belonged to a France. One day when he was 3 years old, he was playing with his father's tools. So Louis Braille belonged to France. He is living in France. One day when he is 3 years old, he is only 3 years old and he is playing with his father's tool. Suddenly a pointed tool hurt his eyes. Suddenly one pointed tool hurt his eyes and he lost his eyesight. He with the finest tool he lost his eye. He cannot see, but he did not take this as a disadvantage that he cannot see, he can do nothing. He had keen interest in study. He is very fond of study. He liked to do study. So without eyes, how can he study? So he think that he have to prepare that thing in which that he can study. So he has not able to see. He did not give up. He is not able to see, but he did not give up. He trying to do something. He kept thinking of different ways to read and write. He tried to do how to write and how to see the things, he always thinking about how to write and how to read. Finally he found a way. He found one way to how to write and how to read. Reading by touching and feeling. So he found that things we can read the things by touching and feeling. So this way of reading letter came to be known as Braille script. After this thing, the Braille script was known, which is done by Louis Braille, who has discovered this thing. In that Braille book, we have to feel the read and how to read by touching and feeling. We have to just touch the dot and we have to understand what the alphabet is given. So this book name is called Braille script. In this type of script, a row or rest on dots are made on a thick paper. In this book there is one book which in that book there are thick paper in that, because these dots are rest, they can be read by running the finger on them, and on that dot the finite point are given. We have to move our finger on them. We have to put finger on them and see, and running fingers on them. In this script is based on 6 dot. In this script it is based on 6 point. We have to point that dots. The Braille script has undergone many changes this day. Nowadays the book is changing. There are a lot of change in this. This has made reading and writing simplest. Braille can now also be written using the computer. We can use this writing as in on computer also.